Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficiently. So all I have to do right now is just click over sign up. But is it free or not? So let's start discovering right now. You have just to click over pricing here and you'll find this page. We have the best work solution for the best price. Here we have for package. As you can see on the left, we have here the free one. So it's absolutely for free. And we have here some key features like 100 megabytes storage, limited tasks, limited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, then we have a rating view, real-time chat, Kanban boards, and we have here sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, then we have an application video recording, then we have support and one form as well. Then we have the second package which is a limited based for small teams, and we have here $7 per month, and if you want to get started you click over here after within the key features about this package. Then we have the third package, it's for mid-sized teams. So by the way, for this one it's for small teams. Then we have the last one, enterprise. It's best for many large teams. You have just to contact sales to get the price. Then here we have this for businesses. You have to pay $12 per month, and after choosing before selecting one package, you have just to read the key features and you choose the one you think it's more better or more comfortable for you. So this is the price. Right now let's just come back and you have just right now to click over sign up or log in if you already have an account. I will click over sign up and you will find other page which is this one. You have just to start using ClickUp in seconds by writing your email address, then you click over next and you'll find this page as you can see. You can use the option of Google, or you can just add your name, your work email, your password, and we have a minimum 8 characters, and you click over play with ClickUp. Alright, once you click over this button, you'll find other page which is this one. In this page, you have just to answer for these questions. The first question we have here, what would you like to use ClickUp for? If it's work, personal, or school. So for example, we'll select work, then you click over next, then we have here how large is your company. I will select for example between 1 and 10 and I will click over next. How many people will you be working with? So for example just me. Then we have here how do you like to manage, for example HR and recruiting, or finance and accounting, support, sales and CRM. For example, I'll select the first one. Then we have here how did you hear about us. For example, select for Facebook and Instagram. We have here Reddit, Snapchat, YouTube. We have search engine like Google, Bing. So for example, I'll select this one. Then we have here, do you use any of this to do? For example, the do list here, Wrike, Confluence. Then we have Excel, Monday, Jira, Asana, Notion. Then we have Basecamp, Trello as well. I will select for example Excel. Then you click over next. Then we have here which features are you interested in. Then we have for example I'll select whiteboard. Then I will click over next. Then we find the last thing we have here. What would you like to? For example, you have just to select one name. For example, I will select for example the name of company like that. Then you click over finish and you will find a dashboard like that. Alright, so here we have a dashboard as you can see. We have several things that you have to know here. So after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. And you have just to add tasks within those notes, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Visualize views like Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar to visualize your work. Finally, have just to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline workflow. So right now, let's just discovering all options on the dashboard to more understand how it works with ClickUp. So firstly, we have here the home page. We have here, for example, recent agenda, my work, and assigns to me. Then we have here inbox. We have also documents, and here we have, for example, you select, for example, if you want to add documents, you have just to click over create documents, and you have just to select here the title, and you have just to use here start writing, block wiki. We have white with AI, table, column, ClickUp list. We have various things. We have here AI tools like improve writing, generate template, write an email, summarize, table with data, blog post as well. Then we have here in the top right, we have if you want to share, we have if you want to make it important or favorite. Then we have here comments and other options. Then we have here the dashboard. For example, for the dashboard, if you want to add dashboard, to click over create dashboard here, and you have just to choose here or select a dashboard template. We have here simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal. Then we have here the option of clips. So here you have just click over new clip, and you have just click over start recording, and you get started with this one. Then we have here timesheets as well. So you have just to select if you want to create entry or open from sidebar. So this is the timesheets, as you can see. You have just to add a task like that, and you get started with timesheets. Then we have here more. Also, if you want, for example, documents, dashboard, whiteboards, clips, goals, timesheets as well. Then we have here also, for example, the space. You have just to click off new space, and we have here the icon and name, and you click over description, and you write the description here. Then you can just make it private if you want, and you click over continue. As you can see, so here we have one create space as well. So we have the same thing here. Then we have here select view all space if you want. We have new space again. Then we have here product notes if you want, and other things. Then we have here team space, projects if you want, and other things. We have everything if you want. All right. So this is how it works with this platform ClickUp, and just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been wonderful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.